Hi, my name is Lynn Trinh, candidate for LD48 State Legislature Position 1. The LD48 7-year incumbent has supported several rental bills, including House Bill 1236, Senate Bill 5600, and House Bill 2114, which place significant restrictions on property owners, potentially limiting their rights and increasing their financial risks. Let's break down these policies in detail and see how they impact our community. House Bill 1236 prohibits landlords from terminating leases or evicting tenants except for specific reasons, such as non-payment of rent or lease breaches. Even when a tenant engages in unlawful activities, the process for eviction can be lengthy and challenging. This bill also requires landlords to give at least 60 days notice for some type of tenancy termination. This law, while protecting tenants, raises concerns that it infringes on landlords' rights to manage their properties, making it difficult to address illegal or disruptive behavior on their own premises. These restrictions can dissuade people from investing in rental properties, impacting housing availability and ultimately driving up rental prices due to supply constraints. Senate Bill 5600 expands tenants' protection even further by mandating a 14-day notice period for evictions and specifying that tenant payment go towards rent before any other fees. This law also includes a landlord mitigation program. While these provisions aim to protect tenants, they increase administrative burdens and financial risks for landlords, which may force landlords to raise rent to cover potential delays in eviction process and uncollected fees. Additionally, this bill authorized multi-unit housing on lots traditionally reserved for single-family homes, reducing local control over zoning. The push for multi-unit housing is intended to address housing shortages. However, in many cases, it may alter neighborhood character and place strain on local infrastructure, including schools and transportation network. Community members lose their say over these zoning changes, potentially disrupting neighborhood planning and impacting quality of life. Finally, House Bill 2114 established a 7% cap on rent increase statewide and requires a 180-day notice for significant rent hikes. It also limits move-in fees and security deposit to 1 month's rent. While this cap on rent increases aim to improve affordability, it discourages landlords from entering the rental market or maintaining their properties, especially as operating costs rise. This cap can also lead to a decrease in the quality of available housing, further impacting rental supply. These policies, while well-intentioned, demonstrate a lack of balance in addressing rental concerns. By discouraging investment in rental properties and limiting property rights, they may ultimately worsen the housing market by reducing supply and driving up costs, rather than solving affordability issues. Overregulating landlords could push many of the market altogether, leading to a reduction in available rental properties and limiting options for tenants. To see how these rental policies impact Washingtonians and other issues the LD48 7-year incumbent has supported, please visit my website, lyntrin.com. My name is Lynn Trinh, candidate for LD48 State Legislature Position 1, and I approve this message.